Hi, my name's Lloyd. I'm a paper artist based in Hove in the UK, and before the lockdown began, I was working on a commission for a client in Florida. Uh, it's a life-sized paper bald eagle, so the wingspan's 2 meters, so it's huge. And as soon as we started to be in lockdown, reality kicked in. I realised that it's impossible to work here trying to work on a giant bald eagle. There's no way I could get it up the stairs, and I've got kids I need to take care of, and my husband is working, so I thought the best thing to do would be try and do something quite small. And on Instagram, a while ago, I posted a paper prawn that I'd made, and also people were asking if I ever do tutorials, and I thought actually maybe it's the right time to create a tutorial for people to hopefully learn a bit of paper art and also have a bit of fun finding materials around their homes. So I had an idea to create a template for a prawn that I'd made. This is made using patterned card. I also made one in gold, which is kind of, I quite like that one. I like how sparkly it is. And then there's another one. This one's got kind of a bit more of a dramatic look to it. And then this one is made actually from a Rice Krispies box. This is made from a cereal box, this one. And it's just literally cut out from the front and back of the card, because this is the ideal material for making this kind of paper art. It's firm, but it's easy to cut. So I created a template for people to hopefully have a bit of fun and post their work.